Hi, all. Welcome to Diversified Finance. Just a quick look at the Bitcoin price action. In my previous video, I mentioned about these critical lines for Bitcoin to break, and and also I discussed about this yellow line. So we managed to break above this yellow line, and Bitcoin price has gone all the way up to about like 73,500. And since then, we have had a bit of a correction, like during the last week. So if you look at the weekly chart, the candle did not look really good, but fortunately we have come back up, and now it's about like 70,000. So I also want to mention about US election. So if Trump wins, uh, because he favors crypto and Bitcoin, there's a high chance that we might see a massive Trump rally, and that'll be really good for people who are holding Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So you can go back to my previous videos, and I mentioned about most of the coins that I'm holding, like especially the microcap coins. So this time, for a change, I'm betting a lot of money on microcap tokens, right? Because I'm risking more money for like bigger rewards, right? So higher the risk, higher the reward. So what we want to see right now, first thing, like if Trump wins, it'll be really good, and then we'll probably see Bitcoin about 72,000 or so. And once we get above 73,000, once Bitcoin is above 73, like to 74,000 or so, that's when when we can expect Bitcoin to like pump all the way up to like 80 or 90 if you are lucky, beyond 100,000. So 90 is the target, 80 to 90 is the target. If it pumps up to 80 or 90, that would be more than enough for all coins to pump, right? Because everyone is waiting for an all coin season that it hasn't happened yet. We've been holding a lot of all coins for like maybe, I don't know, 2, 3 years or so. So if Bitcoin, but the first thing is for before all coins to pump, we need to see Bitcoin about like 74,000, right? At like we need to make higher highs, right? And then all time it has to go above all time highs. And you go back and look at my previous videos. I mentioned about the microcap coins that I'm holding. I'm especially holding a lot of AI tokens, meme tokens, and also gaming tokens, right? I'm betting a lot of, and most of them are very small market cap. I have been holding a lot of AI tokens, even um, AI gaming and meme tokens below, like the market cap below around 20 million or 10 million. Some of them are somewhere near 5 million. So there's a lot of risk, right? Because these tokens might not pump because we don't know what they're going to do. But if you are lucky, if we see like a massive all season, we probably get like maybe 20, 10, 20, 30x. And if you're lucky, even beyond like 50x, 100x also if you're really lucky. So but none of this financial advice, I'm not asking you to like put a lot of money on all coins. Understand these all coins are, especially the micro cap coins with a very small market cap below 10, 20 million. They are very risky. Like you could lose all your money. So be responsible, right? And then seems like things are looking good for the moment. But again, until until Bitcoin breaks above 73,500, anything is possible, right? So but I'm fully invested right now. So a month of September we had issues like war and all that. Even in October we had a lot of question marks, but right now November, December, it seems like things are okay, unless if there's like some sort of a black swan event happens, right? Something like a war somewhere in Israel, Iran Israel war, or Ukraine Russia war or something like that that we don't expect. If that something like that happens, we'll see a bigger correction because of there'll be a lot of fear and people might sell and get out of the market, and then we would also see the share market will go down. So Bitcoin will follow like the share market for sure, and if that's the case, we might drop below 50, like even 60, and probably test around 45K. Highly unlikely. I mean, I'm not expecting that to happen, but there's a possibility it could happen. So if you are not too sure, if you're a bit worried, the best thing is to have a little bit of USDT. So you can stay 60, 70% invested and 30% in USDT just in case. if something that we don't expect happens, so you have USDT to like add more tokens to your portfolio. Okay, that's all for today. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.